What do you think, Carnella? What are you thinking? What do you got going on? Let's go get your little zebra. Go get your zebra. I know, it's so great. Nala, what do you got there? What do you got there, huh? Oh, yeah, you get to pull on that. Yeah. Pull hard. Yeah, you got it. So this is Nala's little squeaky toy. It's a zebra. Now normally she chews up these little plush dolls and they're ripped apart in like one day. But my wife bought this one. It's a whole pack. I'll have to show you the pack. Bought it from Costco. And she's had this for almost 2 weeks now and it is still not torn apart. Look at it. It's just a zebra. Let's see if she'll turn it over a little bit. I thought the ears would be gone by now, the tails and those little feet would be gone, but no, they're still around. She still loves it. She's still trying to tear it apart, but she can't. I thought for sure that these little plush toys that my wife bought would be gone in a couple of days, but this one is surviving. Look at that. So let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, let's see. So here, let me see if I can get it away from her. Let go. She's not letting go. Right when she tries to reposition her teeth, I'm gonna pull hard. Still no. Come on. Let go. Come on, you can do it. Okay, see if I can do it. Oh, see, there's the face of the little guy. Oh, she's pulling hard. Dang. Come on. Almost got it. Come on. Oh, she just loves that though. I wonder if I can. There we go. Oh my gosh. So this is the zebra. And it's got, see, I thought this little tail would be gone. I thought these ears would be gone. But no, it's still working. Oh, there we go. Let's get some better light. There is the zebra. So here you go, Nala. You get the zebra again. Oh, she loves the zebra. Anyway, if you guys are looking for a chew toy, see it's got a squeaker in there too. She loves the squeaker. If you have a chew toy, or if your dog chews through these toys all the time, you should try this set. I'll find the rest of them and I'll post them in the link below. But this is Nala with her little zebra chew toy. She loves it to death. Okay, so I thought I would show you the squeaky toys that we got, that my wife actually got Nala. There we go. They're called Barnyard Buddies. Barnyard Buddies plush toy, pet toys, 4-pack. So, hey, we still have 3 left. So we've got a donkey looking thing and maybe a cow or a bull, and then looks like maybe a rat or a raccoon or something. Anyway, that is the little pet toy pack. Again, I'll put a link in the description if you want to buy them for your dog. They seem to hold up really well. This material is like super thick material. It seems like this is regular plush, but it seems to hold up and is more durable. I think this one she might tear apart a lot easier, but anyway, there it is. Go buy it.